ash.
This is a chemical change. A chemical change is irreversible. It forms a new object, new substance. As you see, when burning paper in the fire, we form the new substance called ash.
This is a chemical reaction when iron reacts with oxygen. It crashes. This is a chemical reaction. It is irreversible. If we can thank you. Ice cream. Hey, can I get ice cream?
Of course, which flavor? Chocolate.
Here you go. Oh, my ice cream is melted. Fridge, please save it.
Dear ice cream, I'll give you the power. I'll make you come back to your original.
So, the melting of ice cream is a physical change, and it is also reversible when we put it in the fridge. Thank you.
As you can see, this is a chemical change. And as you can see, this is a physical change. Because even though the cookie crumbles, you can't fix the cookie back and you can't make it one of the cookie again. No new substance has been formed. So this is a very irreversible thing.
And glass container.
And water. This iron piece is so hot. I'll make it water.
She is resting in the water so nice. I am oxygen. She is resting in the water so nicely in this hot summer. Let me act upon her.
Here, a chemical change. Now I am rusted. Here, a chemical change has happened. This is a water. So, the iron, water, and the oxygen has reacted to form this. Now, the iron piece is rusted. Thank you.